Hey guys, Jill from Excel Wellness Studio here. We are celebrating in April. Excel turns 10 and we'd like to toast and cheers to all of our wonderful clients, friends, and followers that have helped make an awesome community here for the last 10 years and let us love what we do. So if you haven't experienced Excel, I'm reaching out to you today to invite you in on some specials that we have coming the month of April, specifically a new challenge that I'm gonna launch on April 16th. It's a 28-day program called EXCEL-erate Your Results. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of overview here, and if you want more information, please follow these links and I'm gonna tell you even more. So we specialize at helping busy moms, busy professionals fit in their fitness, change their nutrition so that it's real and reasonable and get you results and help you feel good, look good, and get re-energized without spending hours in the gym, feeling intimidated, or not being able to keep up. So I'm gonna bring you in for these 28 days. We're gonna take care of your nutrition for you. I have 4 weeks of dietitian approved meal plans that are reasonable. You don't have to eat 6 or 7 or 8 times a day. There's 4 meals throughout the day. Some of them are easy to make smoothies that you can make your kids. And speaking of kids, if you have a family, the recipes are easy. They're kid friendly in the evenings. There's chili on there. There's some tacos. There's different kinds of salads. Chicken and hummus is one of the recipes, really good stuff. So we're gonna tell you exactly what to do. You've got the recipes, you're gonna get grocery lists, everything easy to follow. That's really important when it comes to food. And we're gonna teach you how to keep it real and to make it work. There's even a cheat meal worked in every week, so you're not gonna feel restricted either. The best part of what we do though is workouts. If you've been intimidated or you've tried workouts that haven't worked in the past, maybe you're nursing an injury or you've never lifted before, we are a very non-intimidating community and we want to help you feel better. We have a couple of personal training options. We have some small group options and we have some private session options that I'll go into detail on the links. But if you've been looking for something different that keeps you excited to come back every day, then this is it. Our small group training is phenomenal. They're 30-minute sessions for females, 4 days a week, and client after client tells me that they're excited to come back and they stick to it. So we wanna help you make those changes and get back in a routine and program. We're gonna keep you accountable every day. We use an app for our challenges that's gonna let you check in with me every day. I'm gonna be coaching you all along the way. We're gonna do some Zoom calls, some weekly check-ins. But the best thing is I'm gonna give away a prize at the end of this. I haven't done this before, but I'm really excited because I'm gonna give one of you guys a trip. Yep, it's not a weight loss contest at all. That's not what we do, but it's an accountability contest. So if you participate, if you attend your workouts, if you do your daily check-ins and a couple other things, you're gonna go into a raffle drawing at the end to win a 3-day, 2-night stay for 2 adults at a really great hotel accommodation in certain major cities across the US. There are great cities, I promise. So you'll be able to get back on track, drop some inches, get some results, feel re-energized, and at the end of it, maybe you'll be able to take a trip. So follow these links. I've got a video with more details, a page with more information. Registration ends April 10th. We start the program April 16th through May 13th. I really hope you'll join me and see why Excel is different and why we're starting decade number 2.